played
What
some
was
Pokemon
that?
Go. Huh?
Can you look at me?
I'm
What
just-
are you
I'm
doing?
just-
Why are
I'm
you
checking my
always on
emails.
your phone?
I'm just checking my emails, trying to stay up on business and everything.
Business? What do you even do?
I don't know.
Did you know what today is? Do you know what today is?
Yeah, it's the...
It's my birthday. You didn't even text me.
No, I told you when we woke up.
No, you didn't.
I emailed you at lunch.
No, you didn't. You know what
I
you
left
did?
you a note.
Yes, you goddamn left me a note. My mom even sent me a birthday
I don't give
text.
a crap
You're
about your mom.
joking. I had a terrible day at work and you can't
Every time I see her, she
You're not.
degrades me.
What are you
Hi,
talking?
I'm Natalie. As you can see, we're having some problems, but it wasn't always like this. Clearly, that didn't last forever.
I can't stand to talk to you. Do you even love me anymore?
I can't stand the sound of your
Then
voice.
you don't have to hear it.
Natalie. Hey. Amanda, hi. How are you? I'm good. How are you? Good. I haven't seen you in a while. I know. How's it going? Good. How are things with you and what's his name? David. Yeah. It's okay. We're not really talking right now. What? Why? He doesn't care about me as much as I thought, and I don't know. It's just been really hard. We're doing this stupid thing where we're leaving each other notes, and it really sucks. You're not talking at all? No.
I try to encourage